Okay. Don't need that. Well packaged. Right. Sorry, I'm full of cold today. I had a cold for the last 3-4 days now. So this basically is a replica of the box, the puzzle box from Hellraiser. It's literally the closest you're going to get to the real thing. Now I looked at the real thing. There was so many of them made. It was for filming when they made Hellraisers. Obviously they had a few different boxes, and I was looking online. One went in the auction. It went for thousands. Obviously, it's going to go for thousands. But this is the closest you're going to get to. Don't really want to say staged used, but you know, film used. This is the closest replica you're going to get. On top, you've got "Welcome to Hell," Hellraiser, Inferno. What that says there. Why is my camera so bad? This is, and it's metal and wood. And I must say I'm very impressed so far. Just looking at the let's look at the details. And I'm not going to keep it in its box. It is going to be in my house, just left around. Oh yeah, that is really nice. Oh, it's heavy as well, really heavy. Oh man. I don't think my camera's doing it justice. How beautiful that is. This is all etched metal. I think it's a zinc. Nickel, is it? No, it's not zinc. Nickel. Nickel etched. And it's redwood, solid redwood. I don't know if my camera is really going to do much justice to that. And this is as close as you're going to get, so to the real deal. As far as I know, they scanned the original cube puzzle box, whatever you want to call it. They scanned it from the film to make this replica, so it is literally the same size, every detail, I mean, you can feel all that the way this is done. So the company that make this is Trick or Treat Studios, and they make a lot of film props for the movies and sell them basically to the public. So you can get like you can get all their sort of Saw characters, the masks, any horror film. Basically, Trick or Treat Studios make replica masks, and they're the closest and the most accurate to film stage used, whatever you want to call it, film used products. So I was looking at the Michael Myers masks, for example, from Halloween. They are as they're as accurate as what they use on the film set. Yeah, sorry, I'm just absolutely full of cold. I know I've already said that, but all bunged up and full of cold. But that, I don't even think my camera's doing that any justice. If you could see and feel this, it's beautiful. It's really, really nice and smooth, all metal and wood, beautiful wood. What I like as well is just the black, the top. I like how this is all black. Can you see that? And as far as I know, obviously you've got two sides with this pattern, right? But the actual the details, if you look on the opposite side, they're slightly different. So what you see there, why is my camera so bad? What you see there is going to be different to that side with all the etching. But anyway, yeah, there you go. Also, you get a stand with this one. You get a little stand, so you find your shape of what you want. There you have it. That is about as accurate as you're going to get to the actual film, and it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. All this is like the edges are really nice and soft. Even like, obviously the cube's pointed, but the actual all the metal inlay and it's really soft to the touch and smooth. But yeah, I'm very pleased with that.